What if I told you you could make $13 trillion in just a year and a half? Don't believe me? I've backtested the strategy, and here is the proof that you can take $1,000 invested in 2021, in the beginning of 2021. Now it's 2022. Just take $1,000, trade with this trading strategy, and you'll have $13 trillion. It's that easy. I'm going to show you how to get the trading strategy. It's really simple. So you log into TradingView, click Indicators, Technical, Strategies, and click MA Moving Cross. Now you just need to change the settings to start with $1,000, and for every trade you're going to trade 100% of your equity. So if you can buy $1,000 of stocks, you're going to buy 1,000. Later on, when you have $1 million, you'll be buying 1 million. And as you can see, 63% of the time you profit, and when you do profit, it's 10 times as much as you invest. There you go, $13 trillion. So what's the secret? When you change in TradingView the candles from candlestick, you can see we only made 100% returns in a year and a half. But if you switch it to Hekin Ashi, then you have 13 trillion. What is Hekin Ashi? No idea. I'm not a trader. All I know is this will tell you when to trade. So right here, you see it's red. That means to go short. That was at 3 o'clock today. If you want to be notified, you click alert, change this condition to the moving cross that we just added, and then you can send yourself an email. Click create, and now every time this makes a red or a blue, it's going to send you an email, and you can hop on Robinhood and make the trade. I will see you guys in a year and a half when I have $1 trillion, maybe $13 trillion. Have a good one.